In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create UML diagrams in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to add your UML diagram. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Depending on the diagramming tools available in your workspace, insert a diagram macro such as Glyphy or Drawio by typing the appropriate command into the editor. Once the diagram editor opens, look for the UML templates or shape libraries available within the tool. Select a UML template if you want a quick starting point, or begin with a blank canvas if you prefer to build your diagram from scratch. You can then add UML elements such as classes, actors, interfaces, use cases, and relationships by dragging them onto the canvas. Arrange the elements to represent your system, process, or software architecture and connect them using the appropriate UML connectors. As you build the diagram, add labels, descriptions, and other details to make your design easier for team members to understand. After completing the diagram, review the layout and make any necessary adjustments to improve readability and organization. When everything looks correct, save the diagram and return to your Confluence page. The UML diagram will now appear directly within your documentation, making it easier to communicate technical concepts and workflows. And that's it. You've successfully created a UML diagram in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.